Cheers. Cheers, love.
Cheers. Hello! Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and this is my sister Jen.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being here today. So today, as the title suggests, we are here for a miscellaneous pin unboxing. So before we get started, I went to Disney in September of this year with my best friend Mackenzie. And if you are interested in seeing those vlogs, please subscribe and join the community here. But I picked up a couple different mystery pin boxes, and I always like sharing it, and we can go ahead and unbox them for you. So the two pin mystery boxes that I got is the Disney Dogs. Had to say it with Chicago accent.
Dogs.
Disney Dogs. The box looks like this, and here are the pins that we can get in this series.
Now, how many are in each, Steph? Tell me.
So each box...
It's a valid question.
It is a valid question. Each box contains 2 pins each, and each of them are in little blind bags. So every single box, you get 2 pins each. So I got 2 boxes of each pin, so we have a chance of getting 4 different pins, and the full collection is 8 pins. These retail for $22.99. I think both of them are.
Yeah.
And full disclaimer, I am an annual pass holder, so I do get a 20% discount, but you can buy these at the parks. The second one, Jen, why don't you explain?
Ooh, these ones I'm more excited for. It's the Adventureland ones. So those also retail for $29.99.
22.
Yep. $22.99. And these are the options here, and it looks like just those attractions with like a character just kind of put in them.
Yeah, so you've got Orange Bird, so the Dole Whip you can get. I see Pirates, Tiki Room, Jungle Cruise, Aladdin's.
Skipper's Cantina too.
Oh, and then what's that one?
That one's Stitch. He's like playing in water.
Okay. And this one, I am most excited for the Disney Dogs. I want Copper, because our family dog is a Basset Hound. He's a Beagle, but like...
I thought he was a Bloodhound.
Oh, he is a Bloodhound.
Yeah,
You're
he's
right.
definitely
a hound dog.
Because it's Fox and Hound.
Yeah.
Most people just assume he's a Basset Hound.
Yeah, but so we have a Basset Hound as a family dog, so I love a good Copper moment.
Pluto would be cute.
Pluto is cute.
Yeah.
Okay, and then in that series, what do you want?
This one, I think I want Pluto with the key in the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. I think that's really funny. Or the Mickey in the Jungle Cruise is really cute.
He's cute.
How about you?
I think I'd either want Orange Bird with the Dole Whip, because I'm a sucker for a Dole Whip, or getting the bird for the Tiki Room would be really funny, because if anyone has never done Tiki Room, I just did that for the first time, and I know you haven't.
I have not.
I just did that for the first time back in January of this year, and I swear to you, it's like being on drugs.
That's crazy.
So we're gonna do it, and you'll have to tell the people your opinion.
My opinion.
But I think I would like the Tiki Room. It's fun.
That'd be funny.
Okay, so how do we want to do this? Do we want to do one of each? Do we want to do? Let's do dogs, then Adventureland, dogs, Adventureland.
Okay, good idea.
So let's start with the dogs. Here's yours and mine. So like I said, they all come in little blind baggies.
My guess, it's a pin.
Ooh, I think you're pretty right on that one. Okay, let us open.
Should we do it at the same time? Or do you want to?
Let's do it separate, right?
Okay, yeah.
And I do actually need scissors for these bags.
Like a trash bag.
So hard.
Look like this.
Okay. First up. Oh, I don't know her name, but she's from Oliver and Company.
A snooty poodle.
Snooty poodle.
A snoodle.
Comment down below what is her name. I'll probably Google it, but she is cute. Okay, I'm not mad. I love that movie, Oliver and Company.
I don't think I've seen it.
It's so cute.
Is
it's like
it?
so nostalgic.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so number 1.
Number 2, we have, he's the dog from Mulan. I don't remember. I think they call it, oh sorry, it wants to focus only on your face. She called it Little Brother, right? I think that's his name.
So cute. Oh, he's kind of cute. Okay, so before we continue, I just want to show you a bit about the pins. So a little bit about the pins. So if you're new to pin collecting or pin trading, authentic Disney pins always have like this waffling kind of, I don't know what you'd call this.
I was gonna say embezzlement.
Engraving.
Yeah.
And then the newer Disney pins, I don't think it's gonna focus, but they have this like diamond thing. No, I'm showing the diamond right there.
Oh.
So the diamond thing, and it's like a diamond Mickey. So that's them trying to authenticate again, and because there's a lot of fakes out there. So just be careful about, fake trading. We always wanna make sure that they're real authentic if you're trading in the parks.
Have you ever gotten one that's not real?
I have, yes. And it's hard because there's a difference between, so my puffles. I'm trying to collect the puffles from Club Penguin. Club Penguin, that sounds like a tongue twister. Club Penguin are fakes, but I really like them.
They're cute.
Yeah, so it's a hard, kind of line. It's just make sure, I know I will never trade those moving forward, So it's like, if you like a pin, it really doesn't matter if it's fake or real. It's just, you have to be, mindful of when you go and trade them again. Cool. Okay.
Nice.
So Adventureland.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. You can go first.
It feels circular.
I think they're all circular, aren't they?
Yep. Ignore that. Doing great. Okay.
Da, 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 da,
Cut the whole opening. Okay. It is. Oh, it's Stitch. Doing something. Lean away. There you go. What is he doing?
What is
He's doing? With water. Is there like a thing that squirts water?
Tiki? There are little tiki guys. I don't really get why it's Stitch.
Well,
these are some big pins.
Yeah. That's a hefty pin.
Hefty pin. I do like those. Yeah, I think there are. We'll have to find this.
Ooh, that would be fun.
Cute. That would be fun. Okay.
Very
number
cute.
1. Those are some nice, decently sized pins. Okay. Number 2. Oh, it's Mickey with the Skipper Mickey. With the Jungle Cruise. Cute. Okay,
That's
I like
cute.
that. So we got your favorite. That's good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very cute.
Back to the Disney Dwogs.
Disney Dwogs.
Disney Dwogs.
The Disney Dwogs that are in the box with the bears.
Okay. Shoop. You choose. That feels hefty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Feels neat.
And it's Lady.
Oh, she's pretty.
She is pretty. Cute. So stoic. So ladylike.
Ladylike.
Okay, last one for Disney Dwogs. Oops. Last one for Lady Disney. Lady Dwogs.
Lady Disney Dwogs. Just fun. Oh, it's Pluto.
Oh,
He did feel I'm gonna say limmy. He had a lot of
appendages. Cute.
That's really cute.
Okay, so we got your favorite for both. I'm just saying so far.
No, I wanted a
But you
Pluto
said
and
Skipper.
yeah, that's true.
So,
which one did you really want?
I wanted
Oops.
Copper.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. The good thing is we're going to Disney in October, so
we have a chance.
we have a chance. Okay, last one for the Adventureland.
Thank you.
Blow on it for good luck.
Okay. Sure.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, it's a duplicate. It's
Oh.
Mickey Skipper. Still cute though.
Still cute. That's a dud. Okay. Let's go. Last one. Bloop. It was
it's the
same box. That's
annoying.
disappointing.
They're cute.
Yeah, they're cute.
That's
Well, I got traders. That's okay.
Yeah.
I got traders. Okay, so we got just 2 of them for the Adventureland, and then we got a pretty good haul
Yeah.
for these guys.
Hello? Oh. Sorry. Do yours first.
So we have 2 of these, and then these 2. You also have hair or nails.
Yes, I do. My Halloween nails.
Yeah, they're cute.
They're cute. These ones glow in the dark.
Moment for them.
Exactly.
Adorable. Okay. Well, the Adventureland was a dud, but the good thing is we're going again, and I do really like them, and I think I would like to buy more.
Yeah, I think that this is a good little lineup they have.
Yeah.
That would be fun to see more. And I like that they do that with the lands. I think that's a really cool, unique idea.
Mm-hmm. I haven't seen any more of those, but I think they've got
Fantasyland would be so
Fantasyland. I think
pretty.
they have Fantasyland. Now that you're saying that. But maybe it's Tomorrowland. I don't know. But we'll have
Tomorrowland's still cute though.
Yeah.
Tomorrowland still is cute.
Okay, well, that concludes our Disney mystery pin unboxing. If you liked this video, please like the video. If you like this video, please like the video.
Enjoyed this video, please
like down below. Also subscribe if you are not already. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. And stay tuned for our October 2024 trip videos.
Yeah,
it's coming
It'll be
around.
fun.
Yeah.
It'll be very fun.
Cool.
Spooky.
Yeah, spooky theme.
Exactly.
Anyway, thank you so much for being here. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.